everyone. It's been a while since I've had a discussion with you, so I thought I'd just come back on the scene and talk about another tax issue that may be of benefit to you. In this discussion, I'm going to talk about requesting a copy of your wage and income transcript. I know, you're probably saying, what the heck is a wage and income transcript? Basically, that's the information that the IRS has. It's a transcript, pretty much, that the IRS has of information that payees have reported to them, such as W-2 information, 1099 information, mortgage interest, retirement information, distributions, things of that nature. So you're probably wondering, why would you ever need a wage and income transcript? Well, for those of you who have not filed a tax return for a number of years for whatever reason, life happened, you were just too lazy, or you just thought the fairy godmother was going to come and erase your tax situation. The wage and income transcript is for those of you who no longer have your tax document information. So you can call the IRS and request this wage and income transcript, and it will show all the information that was reported to them by payees for that particular tax year. Now, this information will come in handy, especially for those of you who the IRS or the state agencies are contacting saying, hey, you owe X amount of dollars, and you're like, well, no, I didn't even file a return that year. Well, one of the reasons they're saying you owe X amount of dollars is because you didn't file a return for that year. And I have a separate video that discusses substitute for returns, SFRs. So if you want to find out more information about a substitute for return, you can check out my video regarding that matter, or there's a number of other videos and links on the internet pertaining to that situation. But back to the wage and income transcript. So you don't have your tax documents, you know, you moved, there was a flood, or whatever the case was. Bottom line is, Rover the dog ate it, or, you know, whatever. Order the wage and income transcript, and this will give you all the information that you need to prepare a tax return, or to have someone prepare a tax return. It has the payee's EIN number on it, which is their employer identification number that you need. It will show any earnings that you had. It will show any federal tax withheld. Now, the wage and income transcript will not show any state information. This is strictly federal. So if you need the information for state, you can contact your particular state department if your state has an income tax and request a transcript of the payee information reported for a certain year. Now, in regards to the transcripts, the IRS only keeps them, or can only provide you that information for the last 10 years. So if you're needing any information prior to 10 years, then your best bet would be to contact the Social Security Administration, because they will have that information prior to 10 years. But I suggest going through the IRS first, and this service, the transcripts are free, and in most cases they can be faxed to you the same day. Now, I also want to mention that there is account transcripts as well. Now, account transcripts and wage and income transcripts are two different types of transcripts. Again, the wage and income transcripts is basically what it says, wage and income transcripts. Your account transcript is your account transcript. It will show any payments made on your account, how much you owe, what your balance is, etc., etc. And you can call the IRS at 1-800-829 1040. Again, 1-800-829-1040 to request these transcripts. So, pretty much that covers the discussion on wage and income transcripts and account transcripts. And for those of you who have questions, I may have answered some of those already. I am an expert on a reputable Q&A site, online Q&A site, and my username is tax.appeal.168. Again, that's tax.appeal.168. tax.appeal.168. If you Google that, a link to many of the questions that I've already answered for many people will come up, and you will also see the other videos that I have made in regards to tax matters. So, basically, that's going to do it for today's conversation, or shall I say discussion. And also, I do have a website that provides audio information in relation to over 88 different tax topics. You may want to visit that at www.audiotaxhelp.com. That's www.audiotaxhelp.com. That's AUDIOTAXHELP.com. Visit the website. Take a look at the questions that I've already answered for other people. And just maybe I can assist you in helping to make your life a little less taxing.